Hello everybody, so we are together again. Today we are going to speak about simple past tense again with transitive verbs, but we will discuss negative form of this tense. So if you remember, we said we have to use oblique pronouns if we use transitive verbs in the simple past tense, right? So our oblique pronouns is من for I, te is for you, we for he, we for she, ما for we for you plural, and one for they. So for example, let's conjugate one verb. It will be خواندن, which means to read. For example, there is an example. We said yesterday I read the book. Yesterday I read the book. In Kurmanji you will say do من pertuk خواند. Do, it means yesterday. Do من pertuk خواند. من is for oblique pronoun for I. Pertuk is means book, and it is in absolute case, because in the simple past tense, if your subject is in oblique, your object will be in absolute case, so you don't have to change it. And it is خواند because we are just talking about one book. If it was plural, for example, if I said yesterday I read many books, it would be خواندن, because if you remember we said this n, it shows plural object, right? So it will be singular, خواند. And if you want to say I didn't read the book, you will say do من pertuk نخواند. Okay, with ne, our negative prefix for simple past tense, it is ne. Okay, and for example, yesterday you read the book, it will be do te pertuk خواند. It's our do, and te is for you oblique pronoun, and pertuk is our in absolute case, and خواند is same. Or do we were pertuk خواند. Yesterday he, she read the book. Okay, it was. If you want to say negative form, you will say do we or we pertuk نخواند. Okay, ne. And for example, if for plural, for us, it will be do ما pertuk خواند. We yesterday read the book. Or من نخواند, we didn't read. Okay, and for you plural, it will be do we pertuk خواند or نخواند. And for they, it will be do one pertuk نخواند or خواند. But you have to be careful about these agreement. If you want to say like you read many books, you will say من pertuk خواندن. Okay, or one pertuk خواندن, we pertuk خواندن, we pertuk خواندن. So let's work on another example. So you see two examples in Kurmanji in English. So our first example is 2 weeks ago I saw them. Okay, in Kurmanji it would be بریا 2 هفته‌یان من أو دیتن. بریا 2 هفته‌یان means 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago من أو دیتن. بریا 2 هفته‌یان من أو دیتن. It is past tense, بریا 2 هفته‌یان, and دیتن is a transitive verb, so we have to use our oblique pronouns من, right? Yes, if our oblique pronouns is in oblique case, so our object should be in absolute case. Absolute case, so for them is أو, but don't forget it. This أو, it also for singular and for plural. Like but here, because of diten, it is plural, so you understand that this أو, it refers something plural, so it cannot be singular, it should be in plural for plural case. من أو ديتن. بريا 2 هفتيان بريا دو هفتيان من أو ديتن. 2 weeks ago I saw them. Fine. So next example is a bit more complicated than this one, but it is fine. Diamın jibo bavemin xwarinin xoş çekirin. Okay. Diamın, it means my mother. Okay, mommy. Jibo bavemin. Jibo means for. For, but in English should be my mother prepared or cooked delicious meals for my father. For my father, it's just a mistake. For my father. So this jibo, it is for. Jibo, for. Okay. Jibo bavemin, it is my father. But look at this. In the first videos we talked about this izafe construction. So Diamın, it's my mother, but because he is feminine you have to use this a. It will be a. For feminine nouns you have to add a. But like bavemin, it's a male, and so it will take a. Same construction, but it's a male, so it will take a, but it's female and it will a. Like Diamın, but bavemin. Okay, a. You have to be careful about this. Diamın, but bavemin. Okay, Diamın, jibo bavemin, like my mother, for my father. Xwarinin xoş çekirin. Xwarinin xoş means like delicious meals, right? Delicious foods. Xwarinin xoş. Xoş means like good, fine, delicious, like everything. And xwarin here is plural. Xwarinin xoş, it is izafe construction. Xwarinin xoş. Izafe plural. So, and çekirin, it means to prepare, to cook, to make. Here, as you see, it is plural. Çekirin. Because xwarinin xoş, it refers something plural. If it was just one meal, you could say Diamın jibo bavemin xwarineke xoş çekir. Xwarineke xoş çekir. But here xwarinin xoş, because of this n, we know that it is plural and it will be çekirin. Okay? Like my mother prepared delicious meals for my father. Diamın jibo bavemin xwarinin xoş çekirin. Okay? For example, let's use this one with singular objects. So you can say min xwarin çekir. Min xwarin çekir. So as you see, min is in oblique because it's past tense. Because çekirin is a transitive verb. But if it is çekir, you can say that xwarin here is singular. Or if you see xwarin, you have to say çekir. Like in your mind, you have to decide. Min xwarin çekir. If you say min xwarin çekirin, it will be with this xwarin will mean plural. Like min xwarin çekir singular, but min xwarin çekirin plural. Plural object it affects your predicate and it gives information about meaning. So let's make some exercise together. Fine. Discuss these examples. We have an example. It says min Islamiki pir diran diran diran. So in English, if you want to say min I saw an old man, like so, our verb, an old man, it means Islamiki pir. So how do we say to see in Kurmanji? Do you remember? It is diten, infinitive, to see. And here, if you have a singular object, so you have to say what? You have to say min Islamiki pir dit, right? Cool. So second one. One gelek kes derend, and it is they killed many people. Do you know how do we say to kill in Kurmanji? it means kuştun. So I mean infinitive is kuştun, as you say, but if gelekes, it means many people, so you have to use plural form of your predicate, so it will be kuştun, like infinitive. One gelekes kuştun, right? Kuştun. One gelekes kuştun. So third one, we as didn't. Oy. He didn't see me. Okay, he didn't see me. So it is again written to see, and if it will be in negative form, so we will say we as naditim. Okay, let's discuss this one. Ne is our negative prefix. Did, our stem. But what is this Do you remember this It is because this object is me, so you have to use these personal endings, so that's why it is it's for me, it's our personal ending for first person. We as ditem, okay, we as ditem or we as naditem, like this. He didn't see me, we as naditem. Okay, so fourth one, one partook didn't. They didn't read the books. So books, okay, it's plural. So to read is خوندن, right? خوندن. And if it is plural, so it will be like infinitive. So one partook خوندن. خوندن. If you say one partook خوند, it will be just they. Sorry, it will be na خوندن. So if you want to say they didn't read the book, you have to say one partook na خوند. Okay, this it refers plural object. So last one, par Braiman jbomen malek didn't. You want to say he bought, fine. To buy is krin in Kurmanji. Krin. Par Braiman jbomen malek didn't. Last year my brother bought a house for me. Rich brother. So if it is just a house, so you have to use just a past tense. And for past tense you have to remove this n, and it is kri, right? So it will be par Braiman jbomen malek kri. Good. Yes. من زلامك بيرديت. One gelekes kuştun. We as naditim. One partuk nakhwandin. Par Braiman jbomen malek kri. Jbo, we said it's for me. Malek, like a house. Malek. Okay. So I think it is not bad. I mean this style to work together. So thank you so much for attention. I hope that we will meet next week as well. So work hard, and if you have any question, please write me. And if you need some books, I can send you everything. Just write me that if you need. So thank you so much. Goodbye. Have a good day.